Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Now we'll start with chapter 2. The name of the chapter is IoT Architecture and Communication Technologies. In this unit, we are going to learn IoT architecture by Oracle, sources of IoT, M2M communication, IoT or M2M systems, layers and design standards, and at last we are going to learn communication technologies. Now we have seen that IoT is connecting every physical object in the world using wireless systems. Internet of Things are able to collect and exchange data using embedded sensors. So we can say that physical objects plus controller, sensor and actuators plus internet is equal to IoT. So we can say that IoT includes various physical objects in the network, also some controllers, some sensors or various sensors, some are actuators which are doing mechanical things, and internet connection. So all this is equal to IoT. Now what are the different operations they do? So we can say that physical objects or sensors gather the information, they enrich the information, they stream, so they send this information or data. All activities are managed, acquired, some processes, organized all the collected information or data and analyzed. So this is equal to IoT with connectivity to data centers, different enterprises or cloud servers. So we can say that the operations are carried out like gathering the information, gathering the data, collecting the data, sensing the data. So continuously enriching all this data, sending this data as a stream to our communication channels or the connectivity to data centers, enterprise, cloud servers. So we manage all these operations, the communication, the collection of data. Then we acquire this, collect entire data to a central point, acquire entire data information. We organize entire data in manner which we want, and finally we analyze all this information. So all these activities are carried out in IoT, where they assume that there is a connectivity present between the data centers which are collecting, enterprises and cloud servers. So even we can say that we gather, we consolidate, we connect, we collect, we assemble, manage and analyze. So this is equal to IoT. So IoT is including all these things. So IoT is able to collect and exchange data using embedded sensors. IoT can include physical objects, controllers, sensors, actuators, and internet. IoT can gather the information, enrich the data, streamline the data, manage all the activities, acquire the data, organize and analyze. So we can say that we gather the information, consolidate it, connect to the devices for communication, collect the data, assemble all this data together, manage and analyze. So if you can see the figure, so we can say that in IoT, anytime connection is available, any place connection is available, and anything can be connected or anything can be connected with the available connection for any time. So on the move, anytime connection, we can say that daytime, nighttime, on the move, wherever. So suppose the motor is traveling, still it can be connected to the network and can have communication. So no time limit. You are walking, still you can be connected. You are doing different operations, still you can be. So on the move, you can be connected at any time. Daytime, nighttime. Any place. So it's not like that only inside it will work. Indoor, outdoor. So you are going in a home, so inside the home. Suppose you are moving out and you are connected to the entire world through your smart watches or smart devices. Yes, it's possible. So indoor, outdoor, any place we can be connected to the internet. Between PCs, so computers can be connected with IoT systems. Human to human also can be connected. Human to think also it's possible. So suppose we are using a kind of identifier or sensor type of devices and we are carrying, and all these devices are connected to the network, which are sensing our temperature, which are sensing our heartbeat rates, everything, calories burned, calories gained, like this, all things which we can observe. So anything can be connected, any place connection is available, and in any time you can connect to the IoT. So these are the facilities available in the IoT, you can say.